Hey, Algebra, this is Mr. Kilburn. I'm going to walk through a problem with you. I'm not in the classroom, obviously, so I want to do one with you so you understand what to expect. There are 12 problems, and we're going to do one together, so that leaves 11 for you to do. When you are done working on these 11 problems, you can have some quiet Chromebook time. So that's what's going on today. So look at problem number 1, x squared minus 6x plus 8. So you're going to enter that in your graphing calculator like we did yesterday. And you're going to get a problem once you bring up your table. It looks something like this. So it's got 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. So when you graph that and kind of freehand it, it looks something like this. Okay. So the zeros, remember, is where this quadratic intersects the x-axis. So use your table or use the analyze graph zeros feature. It'll tell you right where it intersects the x-axis. So in this case, the zeros are at 2, 0 and at 4, 0. Okay, the turning point in this case is going to be a minimum because the quadratic's opening up. So the minimum, or the turning point rather, is right there at 3, negative 1. Okay, the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, you can use your table and look at the x column, and when x is 0, you'll see that y is 8. So the y-intercept is at 0, 8. The axis of symmetry is what Jordan referred to today, where if you drew a line and then had the parabola fold over on that line or reflect over that line, it would match up perfectly. So in this case, the axis of symmetry is right here along this line, okay? And it just so happens that that's x equals 3. So that's the axis of symmetry, all right? So that's all you're doing for all of these. Just be careful that you enter it correctly into your graphing calculator and use table, use the analyze graph feature, whatever you have to do to answer these 11 problems. When you're done doing that, just compare answers between the class, see if there's any questions you can answer amongst yourselves. And like I said, when this is done, you can have some quiet Chromebook time. Hope this helped. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.